Hey friends, it's Eric and Tay. We're poolside once again on this nice beautiful spring day, although it's a little cloudy out here, but that's not going to stop us from checking out my new little friend right there. That is the Aiper Scuba V3, a very special and unique pool cleaner with a feature, I would call it almost a skill, that is not in any other pool cleaner that I've seen thus far, and I think it's a game changer. So without further ado, let's dive in this water and see what she's all about. All right, friends, first things first, I do want to thank Aiper for sending this out to me for a full honest review. I do not allow any other types of sponsorships on any of my channels. Now, I'm not going to keep you waiting here. I am so excited to show this to you guys, and we're going to jump into the good stuff first, and that is the new AI Patrol feature. Now, I saw this at IFA and CES, and I didn't believe it. I thought it was just a mocked, demo. But I got this in my own pool, and I couldn't believe this actually works. But let me lay out the situation here, because I know you've been through this. If you're a pool owner, say that it's a nice, beautiful summer day, and the wife tells you, Bob and Susie coming over with the kids, and they'll be here in 10 minutes. In the back of your head, you're like, oh no, I forgot to clean the pool. And you go out there and you see all this debris, and you can't clean it up with a robot that quickly. So then you break out the pole and skimmer, and you're manually getting it all out. But now with the Aiper AI Patrol feature, you can send in the robot. It will automatically detect that debris and find it quickly and easily, and you can get the pool spotless within a minute. And I actually test this. I actually threw in a bunch of debris. This is just a bunch of fake leaves, and it found all of them within minutes. It's so smart. I haven't seen this in any other pool cleaner. Yes, there's some pool cleaners out there that have cameras, but this one actually does something with that camera, and it's a great feature to have. Absolutely love it. Now, they say you can see up to 20 different items, but I mostly tested leaves and small dirt. And yes, even dirt it can find on the edges. It can detect it and go to it. I couldn't believe how well it cleaned the pool and how quickly it found all that debris. So you can get that pool cleaner out and have a good time being in the pool without the pool cleaner. Now, this AI Patrol feature is a setting within the app to turn it on. You will have to go into the app and turn it on before you throw in the pool cleaner, because you can't communicate with the pool cleaner once it's in the water. Plus, it has built-in LED lights, so if you want to do night cleaning, it can actually detect that debris up to 2 meters away. So it can do it in the dark, and as you can see here, it works quite well. Now, I did do one test where it was like 45 minutes after sunset, and to my eye, I thought it was dark enough, and those lights, for some reason, did not turn on, and it would not detect those leaves. But then like 5 minutes later, it did turn on. So just be aware, it does have to be a certain darkness for those lights to automatically turn on. So if you have like spotlights out there, that might keep the light from turning on. So just keep that in mind if your lights are not working. But overall, this is a great pool cleaner. It has the same features that we saw in the Aiper X1. It has the front brushes, rear brushes. It has floor mode, wall mode, and also a waterline mode where it's going sideways. And this has jets on the side that they call the jet assist. That way you can horizontally push sideways and get your waterline and stay up there longer. And as you can see here, it got 1.5 inches up off the waterline, which is pretty good. And if you're like me, most often you're going to use the pool cleaner in auto, and that way you just throw the pool cleaner in there. It's going to start with clean the walls and the waterline. It won't go horizontally clean the waterline, just go up and down as it's cleaning the walls, and then it will move to the floor. and then at the end of its battery life, it will go into the park assist, and it will stay at the waterline for I think about 5 or 10 minutes, and that way it's easier for you to reach in and pull it out. If you don't make it within that 5 or 10 minutes, it will sink back down, and they do include the hook that you use with your pole to get it out. When you do take this out, and you have to clean out that debris basket, which I absolutely love this design, where the debris basket is the cover of the pool cleaner. So you're not opening up a second pool cover like a hood. That is the basket that comes straight out. Now, it's not a basket where you can shoot the water through the basket. It doesn't open up on both ends. I really wish it would. Nevertheless, it's not that hard to clean out. It just takes a little bit more time, but still love that design. We can pop in and out that basket without opening up additional piece of plastic. And they do include a ultra fine filter. It's just an insert that you're put into the debris basket, but if you need something to pick up smaller particles or algae, then they do include that in your purchase, which is nice to see. They also include these little foam things that you can open up the sides of the pool cleaner and snap them in, and that will help keep the pool cleaner to the side of the pool. I didn't need to do that in my pool, but if you do have that issue, those are available to you. In addition, this has a dock that will charge it up, has 2 contact points on the bottom, and they say it has about 180 minutes of battery life. And my testing in auto, I got 159 minutes. Obviously, you're going to get different battery life depending on if you're doing floor only or walls only or waterline only, or even running those LED lights at night, you might get a shorter battery life. So keep all that in mind. But in auto, I did get 159 minutes. Now let's go ahead and talk about some other features I thought was worthwhile about mentioning, just so you understand that this also has it. Now they have something in the app called Cognitive AI Navium mode. That's going to be like your vacation mode. It says it learns your pool size, the weather, cleaning history, and it's going to run for 7 days to keep your pool clean. Also, you can set schedules just like every other pool cleaner out there. So if you leave it in the water, you can have it go off at a certain time of the day. That's all pretty standard. Most of these have some type of eco mode or some vacation mode. So I didn't see a huge benefit in this renaming of the Cognitive AI Navium mode, but maybe, you know, long term it might show some differences between some other pool cleaners. And now to wrap up the video, let's talk about the pros and why I think this is the best pool cleaner to date. Obviously, the AI patrol mode, game changer here. Secondly, the weight of this, when I first held this at IFA, I couldn't believe it only weighs 18 pounds. Compared to the X1 is like 24 pounds. So it's a smaller pool cleaner, but has more features, which is just another game changer, I believe. I will be doing a full comparison between the two in the near future. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you do so and also hit that like button. In addition, I will be doing a comparison chart on my website. So if you want to see some of the tests that I've done and you quickly want to compare them, definitely check out that link down in the description below. Now, as far as cons, really nitpicking here. Well, number one, the charging plug takes up a lot of space. So depending on where you need to plug this in, you might have to add some type of extension. As you can see, that's what I need to do here. Secondly, I wish there was a pool cleaner cover just to keep the sun off of it. You won't be able to keep it out of the heat, but at least the sun wouldn't be beaming down on it all the time while it's charging up. But all in all, I think this is a great pool cleaner. Actually, it's my favorite to date, and I think this AI patrol feature is a huge game changer. Being able to detect and clean up debris quickly and easily is definitely a must-have feature for any premium pool cleaner moving forward. And the Aiper Scuba V3 is the first one to do it, and I absolutely love it. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys are brand new here and you guys want to see more videos like this or comparisons, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And while you're at it, hit that like button and definitely check out the comparison chart that we will be preparing on my website. That link will also be down below. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.